Dear friends, Jesus bestows true joy to the world through His coming. He said, I have come so that your joy may be complete. This week may be a source of joy to all in need. May we feel the enlightening presence of God in our midst.